Using a credit card on Cash App is a convenient way to send money to friends and family. To get started, you need to link your credit card to your Cash App account. Open Cash App and tap the profile icon. Then select Link Banks and Cards. Tap Link Credit Card and follow the prompts to enter your credit card information. Once your credit card is linked, you can use it to send money. Tap the Cash button at the bottom of the screen. Then select Send. Enter the amount you want to send and the recipient's email address, phone number, or $cash tag. Select the credit card you linked as the payment method and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that using a credit card on Cash App may incur a fee, typically 3% of the transaction amount. This fee is in addition to any interest charges you may incur from your credit card company. To avoid fees, you can link a debit card or bank account to your Cash App account instead. It's also important to note that not all credit cards are accepted on Cash App. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover cards are generally accepted, but some cards may not be eligible. If you're unsure whether your credit card is accepted, you can try linking it to your account to see if it's approved. To ensure secure transactions, make sure to only send money to trusted recipients and keep your credit card information up to date. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use a credit card on Cash App to send money to anyone.